Hey, what's going on everybody, and welcome back to another Darkfall video. Today I wanted to share with you another update for the shader library add-on version 1.8. And for those of you who don't know, the shader library is a free Blender add-on that I've been working on. If you want to check it out, there will be a link in the description. So once you have it installed, you just press N, then go down to the shader library tab, and you can see we now have this cosmic shaders section. And here's a quick preview of them in action. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at this new section. Go ahead and open it up. And we're not going to apply this to the default cube, so let's go ahead and delete this. Shift A, go ahead and add in a UV sphere. We could also add a subsurf modifier, make this look better. And I was thinking if you guys want me to add this to the add-on, so maybe press a button or check a box and the add-on will add the sphere as well. If you think that's a good idea, let me know in the comments. Or if you have any suggestions that you want to see implemented into the add-on, go ahead and let us know below. So we have our object selected, go to the planet type and choose a planet type. And right now there's only 3 options, but I am working on some more, so be sure to look out for future versions of this add-on. So we have the Continental world, which is an Earth-like planet, and a dust planet, which is a barren kind of planet. And then finally we have a star sphere, which is going to act as your background. So let's start with the dust planet, click this. Again, once we've selected a planet type, just hit Cosmic Shader, and it'll bring up an operator. So we have a couple of options. We can change the hue of the planet, we can change the stripe amount, and we can enable the atmospheric glow. And again, if you want me to add some more options to this operator, let me know in the comments below. If we click this, and then click OK, and then we can switch this over to the rendered view. And there we go, there's our dust planet. And again, we can change these options on the fly. We can enable or disable the atmospheric glow. I don't know why you would get rid of it because it makes it look so much better, but we can change the hue of the planet, get different colors if you want. Now we have this stripe amount, so we can have more stripes, less stripes, just a little bit more control. And again, atmospheric glow just makes it look so much better, so make sure you enable this. If you do change the color, you will need to change the color of the atmospheric glow. So just click this and change it. And it's the same thing for the glow amount, so we can increase this or decrease it. And that's pretty much it for the dust planet. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Continental world. So again, switch to planet type, then click the button, brings up an operator. And this one has more options. Let's go ahead and just click OK. And now we can just go over to the redo operator and play around with the settings. So we can change the hue of the land. If you want to change that, play around with that. We can change the scale of the land, so we can make these continents bigger or smaller. We can increase or decrease the water level, make this look more like a future Earth maybe, where the water has taken over. The atmospheric glow is just like the other one, so we don't need to worry about that. And we also have an option for clouds, so click this. And again, you can play around with the scale, make them bigger or smaller. And finally we can play around with visibility, so we can decrease this. And there we go, that's our procedurally generated Earth. And finally let's go ahead and take a look at the stars. The stars can be used on a normal background such as a plane. So rotate this, change the type to star sphere. Even though it's called star sphere, it will work on anything, so click it and then brings up this operator. This operator we have star scale and star density. Again, we'll take a look at these in a second. Let's just go ahead and add these in. So there's our stars. Let's go ahead and open the operator. Now the way scale works, if we reduce this, we can make the stars bigger. Or if we increase it, make them smaller. The density is for the coverage, so if we increase this, we'll get less stars. And if we decrease it, we'll get more stars. So it's pretty basic, so I'm going to go ahead and delete it. Shift A, add in a sphere. Let's just scale this up. Now we want to scale this way up just so we're inside it. And then again, just add the shader. And play around the settings until you think it looks good. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Maybe go to the settings and enable bloom just to make it look even better. Then we can jump into the compositor and yeah, go ahead and add some color grading and some extra things that you think look good. So hopefully you found this update helpful. If you did, be sure to hit that like button, As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.